That's the head, and it's back on. So, yeah, that's happening today. It's not all the way on. It's basically torqued down right now, so all the bolts are in place. What needs to happen next is the camshafts need to go back in. The front cover needs to go back on. All these hoses need to be reconnected. Their pieces parts need to be reconnected. And there's the camshafts right there, all nice and clean. So yeah, that's happening today. So fingers crossed that I should have a functioning vehicle probably late Tuesday, probably Wednesday morning, if all goes well. Fingers crossed. We shall see what we shall see. In the meantime, I finished the edit for episode 5, so you should see that Thursday afternoon. So you should be very happy campers with that. Although I did kind of sort of screw it up a little bit, and I didn't realize it at the time. And you'll see it in the edit, and it's 2 long sections of text, but and I'm so disappointed. And the edit was turning out very nice, and I got to this section of the edit, and I went, oh, fuck. The whole point of that shoot is to see me screwing in the fan. And guess what happened? The cameras were not rolling. Even though you see me press the camera, turn the cameras on, well, you won't see it, but even though I can clearly see that the cameras turned on and that they were running, for some reason they didn't record. I had 3 cameras running for that like 90-second sequence. All gone, poof. Not one of them recorded. This has been a difficult shoot. Planning out the next shoot, and that's insulation, ceiling, and walls. Got the bad insulation in the garage, and yeah. So I will probably do a piece of that later on today, and then the actual walls, that piece of the walls and the ceiling piece, a little bit later tomorrow. So this is a more difficult shoot than I would imagined it to be. And then the shoot after this is a multi-day shoot. This is probably a 3-day shoot to get this done, to get the next piece done, and that's the cabinets and the appliance and the kitchenette and the couch. That's going to take at least 3 days to do. Not looking forward to that one, but it's going to get done. I have 3 weeks to get my ass to Boston. I have to finish this. I have to finish the vehicle inside of 3 weeks. It's got to get done. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I have to be in Boston before the end of April. Yeah, that. All right. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. It means the world to me. Try to keep your support in place for a little while. I'm going to be poor and broke and starving when I leave here, so every penny counts right now. And I look forward to seeing you folks somewhere on the road. Bye.